Oh my gosh, and I'm sick. So give this video an extra thumbs up. Welcome back. It's Oksana with Craft and More Design. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm going to walk you guys through a super fun sublimation pillow tutorial. I have pillow blanks that are sublimation friendly. They're 100% polyester. I have the pillow inserts and I buy them from a company online. Sublimation tape dispenser, parchment paper or Teflon sheets, obviously my heat press, my Epson printer that I converted, my sublimation ink. I created a whole video for you guys of everything that you need to have to start with sublimation, so go check out that video. I actually made this as a gift for Christmas for a really sweet friend of mine. She's a fellow YouTuber. Go check her out. So when it comes to sublimation, the first thing that you need to do is have your design. I do use Silhouette Software Studio. I have the business edition. In this case, you can do either the regular edition or the business. I went ahead and created my design. I did the last name with all the names, and then I created these little Christmas trees and I just made a bunch of copies. Then I went ahead and plugged it all into my sublimation printer. If you want to know how to convert your Epson into a sublimation, I'll post the link right above, so go check that out. So once I plugged everything in, I printed everything out, then I went ahead and started creating my cuts and kind of planning where I want the design. Now, sublimation is permanent, so once you apply that heat onto your blank, you can't undo it. So just a small tip for you guys that are beginners to sublimation: spend that extra time really getting it perfect before you apply it and then ruin a blank, or do a couple practice rounds so that you don't waste your material. So once I went ahead and designed everything, printed everything out, created my rough draft on my pillowcase, then I went ahead and taped my image onto my sublimation blank and started my heat press. I did it at 385 degrees. My happy medium is typically between 350 to 400 degrees, but 385 is kind of like that magic number. Put it onto the heat press, pressed it down for about 45 seconds, give or take. And then I released it. Now, when I am doing my press, I always line the inside of my material and the top of my material as well as the bottom of my material to protect your heat press and your blank. So once I go ahead and line all of those up with parchment paper or Teflon sheets, I go ahead and press and leave that on for about 40 seconds or so. So I go ahead and just do the same thing for the back, since this is a double-sided pillow. And I love it. I think it turned out so pretty. I'm so happy with it. I feel like custom gifts really are the best. I think it's just such a good addition to your living room or your office or wherever you're gonna stage this. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If there's anything that I missed or left out, post a comment below. I'd love to walk you guys through how to do anything else that you might want sublimation related. Let's stay social. Keep following me for more videos. Subscribe, like, thumbs up. I'm gonna go take a nap.